How to delete trip history on Uber. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete Uber's trip history. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So before we begin, let me tell you guys that there is no direct option or feature that lets you delete the trip history. So if you want to delete the trip history, you will actually need to delete your entire account and wait for 30 days. So yeah, you will need to wait for 30 days for Uber to delete all your account's history. So after that you can sign back again from your account and the history will be clean. So to delete your account, head over to the account section on Uber, tap on the settings option. After you're on settings, head over to privacy. After you're on privacy center, if you scroll down, you will see an option for account deletion. Tap on account deletion and tap on confirm. Now enter your phone number and then tap on continue. Now you will get a 4-digit code sent to your email address. So just copy that email address and then paste it here. And after doing that, you will need to do that again. You will get an SMS on your mobile phone. So just get that. You will see a code. After typing in that code, your account should head over to deletion. So as you can see right here, you will see all of your orders. So you can tap on continue and then delete your account. So choose why you are deleting your account and then tap on delete account. There you go. Now you will be logged out of your account and you're good to go. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.